This came in the mail. Should be fairly straightforward to install it here on this door. Fit different doors, and that's the exact make and model. Ah, velcro. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna fit the door. So that's what's in the package. Step 1, clean the surfaces. So next one, it says put the curtain on the ground. Yeah, that's not gonna work. We need to start up top here, because this is as high as mounting can go, because I've checked it and I know that from the top of this to the top of this surface, the curtain will still be barely too long. It's gonna be still be dragging here slightly. I don't like it. As high as it will ever go with this mounting strip. Because it's gonna drag on the bottom, I mount this strip as high as possible on the velcro. So I'm about a 1/4 inch away from the bottom of the strip up here. There. So that's where this one is going, and I can go a little higher if it's still dragging, but it's gonna be working, but barely. The next step says measure the screen. Well, measuring the space and the screen was done before ordering. Next thing to do, either short strips or one continuous long strip vertically down. For the remaining velcro that's gonna go vertically down, I'm just gonna use half of it here and half of it there. To do that, I line up the ends, I clamp the ends together, and I'm just gonna simply find the midpoint and cut it with the scissors right about here. I'm gonna start on the bottom and pull it up, and it's gonna almost reach to the top. It's gonna be held in place fairly securely. Nice. So it's not all the way to the top, but it's close enough. Connect the two halves. Yeah, it's still dragging on the bottom about that much, but it cannot possibly go any higher than this. Remember, there's nothing here to attach it to. Yeah, it says make sure the center point of the mesh is higher than both sides. Well, that's not gonna happen. That's not how they build window frames. Nobody makes a window frame that's higher in the middle. So let's go back to step 2. It says make sure that the mesh is flat on the floor. Yes, because the magnets do this. They bunch up like so, and if they do that, the curtain may not be as wide as it should be. So make sure that the magnets are pulled flat. And over here on this side, I have to go with this 3/4 overlap, because if I pull it, gap is gonna open. This is as far as I can go, and no, it's not possible to mount this velcro strip any closer in that direction, because this is the edge of the frame. So you just need to pull it enough sideways to neither bunch up nor have an opening. Fix this. So let's see, is this product 39 inches wide? Yeah, plus a little bit. And let's check out my opening. Here's my opening, actually 82 inches as the curtain is. Yeah, I don't have 82 inches of clear space, I only have 81. So that's why the last inch is folded like so. This is where this aluminum cross piece is going. That is it. And no, I'm not cutting the bottom either. Let's go through it, see if it holds it. Yeah. Not quite. Yeah, needs a little fixing. Yeah. Eventually I will close. Now let's see the other way around. Yeah, it needs fixing up there. It's not gonna get any better than this. So it says make sure the center point is higher slightly. Yeah, that's not gonna work, and that's not gonna help with this 1 inch problem. I don't have an extra inch in height above the door.